Wall module function introduction, wall editing. Note, when using beam editing functions, beam lines must be placed on either the wall or wall BR layer. Thicken wall lines. This command is used to thicken existing wall lines. Click the Thicken Wall Lines function, select the wall lines to be bolded. Enter the bold width inward. Wall lines thickened completed. Restore thickness. This command is used to restore the thickened wall lines to their original width. Click the Restore Thickness function, select the bold wall lines that you want to restore. Restore thickness completed. Change wall thickness. This command is used to modify the thickness of existing wall lines. Click the Change Wall Thickness function. Enter the original width of the wall. Enter the new width of the wall. Select the wall lines to change width. Wall line width change completed. Wall line offset. This command is used to shift the double line wall to one side, offsetting its position. Click the Wall Line Offset function. Select a wall to be eccentric. Specify offset distance or select the alignment point. Wall line offset completed. Wall line fill. This command is used to apply fill to shear wall elements. Click the Wall Line Offset Completed function. Select the wall line to fill. Wall line fill completed. Delete wall. This command is used to erase double line walls in the floor plan. Click the Delete Wall function. Select wall lines to erase. Double line wall erasure completed. Wall line widening. This command is used to move one line of a double line wall, thereby changing the wall's thickness. Click the Wall Line Widening function. Select a wall line that needs to be widened on one side. Enter the distance from the wall line. Single side wall width adjustment completed. Delete duplicate wall lines. This command is used to remove overlapping wall lines. Click the Delete Duplicate Wall Lines function. The program automatically searches for all line segments in the wall or wall BR layer and prompts. Wall, layer straight line has been searched 43. Wall, layer straight line has been removed 3, left 40. The program automatically eliminates all coincident wall lines and informs you of the result. Duplicate wall lines removed. Wall line repair. This command forcibly closes wall lines that appear closed, sealing any gaps up to 0.8 mm after plotting. Click the Wall Line Repair function. Select the wall line to be repaired. Wall line repair completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.